Get ready to blast off, space fans. Today, we're counting down the top 10 greatest NASA achievements in space exploration. From landing on the moon to discovering exoplanets, these achievements have revolutionized our understanding of the universe and inspired generations of space enthusiasts. Buckle up, because this is going to be an epic journey through the history of space exploration. Alright, strap in folks, because we are blasting off to the moon. That's right, we're talking about the one and only achievement that kickstarted NASA's journey to the stars. The first human on the moon. The Apollo 11 mission was a historic moment that captured the world's attention and changed the course of history forever. Let's dive into the details, shall we? The Apollo 11 mission was launched on July 16, 1969, with astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins aboard. Their goal? To land on the moon and take one giant leap for mankind. After a nerve-wracking descent and some tense moments, Neil Armstrong famously uttered the words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," as he became the first human to set foot on the moon. This mission wasn't just a show of technological prowess. It was a symbol of human achievement and the power of perseverance. It inspired generations of people to dream big and believe in the impossible. The impact of this mission is immeasurable, from advancements in space technology to the simple awe and wonder it continues to evoke in people around the world. It truly is one of the greatest NASA achievements of all time. Alright, let's warp over to the next achievement on our list, the Hubble Space Telescope. Now you might be thinking, what's the big deal about a telescope? Well, my friends, the Hubble Space Telescope is not just any telescope. It's a groundbreaking instrument that has allowed us to see the universe like never before. Let's take a closer look. The Hubble Space Telescope was launched in 1990, and it quickly became one of the most important tools in modern astronomy. It orbits the Earth at an altitude of about 550 kilometers and captures stunning images of galaxies, nebulas, and other celestial objects. It's equipped with some of the most advanced instruments ever built, allowing astronomers to study the universe in unprecedented detail. The impact of the Hubble Space Telescope on astronomy is immeasurable. It has allowed us to discover new planets, study the evolution of galaxies, and even measure the expansion rate of the universe. But perhaps most importantly, it has inspired a new generation of space enthusiasts and scientists. The images captured by Hubble are not just scientific data. They're works of art that showcase the beauty and majesty of the universe. And that, my friends, is why the Hubble Space Telescope is one of the greatest NASA achievements of all time. Hold on to your seats, space fans, because we're about to take a journey beyond our solar system with the Voyager missions. Launched in 1977, the Voyager spacecraft were designed to explore the outer planets of our solar system and beyond. Let's explore the details. The Voyager missions consisted of two spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Both spacecraft were equipped with cameras, instruments for measuring magnetic fields, and other scientific tools. They successfully visited Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and made numerous important discoveries about these planets and their moons. But what's even more mind-boggling is that both Voyager spacecraft are still operating and sending back data, even as they venture beyond our solar system. The impact of the Voyager missions on space exploration cannot be overstated. They gave us the first up-close look at the outer planets of our solar system, and provided a wealth of data that continues to be analyzed by scientists today. But perhaps the most awe-inspiring impact of the Voyager missions is the realization that they are now the farthest human-made objects from Earth and are traveling through interstellar space. The Voyager missions truly represent the pioneering spirit of NASA and are one of the greatest achievements in space exploration. Are you ready to explore the Red Planet? Because that's exactly what NASA's Mars rovers have been doing since 1997. The Mars rovers represent one of the most challenging and complex missions in NASA's history, and they've given us an incredible glimpse into the geology and environment of Mars. Let's take a closer look. The Mars rover consists of a series of robotic vehicles that are sent to Mars to study its surface and collect data. The first rover, Sojourner, was launched in 1996, and since then several other rovers, including Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity, have been sent to Mars. These rovers are equipped with cameras, instruments for analyzing rocks and soil, and other scientific tools. and they've made numerous groundbreaking discoveries about Mars. The impact of the Mars rovers on space exploration is immense. They've provided us with a wealth of data about Mars, including evidence of water on the planet's surface, which has led scientists to speculate about the possibility of past or present life on Mars. The Mars rovers have also paved the way for future manned missions to Mars, as they've allowed us to study the planet's surface and environment in detail. The Mars rovers are an exceptional achievement of NASA's and represent the pioneering spirit of space exploration. Alright, we've explored some pretty incredible NASA achievements so far, but now we're moving into something truly out of this world, the International Space Station, ISS. The ISS is a massive scientific laboratory that orbits the Earth, and it represents one of the most ambitious and collaborative projects in human history. Let's delve into the details. The ISS was first launched in 1998, and has been continuously inhabited by a rotating crew of astronauts ever since. It was constructed through a collaborative effort between NASA, the Russian space agency Roscosmos, and several other international partners. The ISS is equipped with a range of scientific equipment, including labs for biology, physics, and technology research. The impact of the ISS on space exploration is enormous. It's allowed scientists to conduct research in a zero-gravity environment, which has led to numerous discoveries and advancements in fields such as medicine, physics, and material science. The ISS has also served as a symbol of international cooperation, bringing together astronauts and scientists from around the world to work towards a common goal. The ISS is truly a marvel of modern engineering and represents one of NASA's greatest achievements in space exploration. We've covered some pretty impressive NASA achievements so far, but now it's time to talk about the iconic Space Shuttle program. The Space Shuttle represents a revolutionary new way of exploring space, and it opens up a whole new era of human spaceflight. Let's take a closer look. The Space Shuttle program was launched in 1981 and consisted of a series of spacecraft that were designed to be reusable. The space shuttles were launched into orbit by powerful rockets, and then returned to Earth like a glider. They were equipped with cargo bays that could carry satellites, experiments, and even people. The Space Shuttle program was responsible for launching numerous import missions, including the deployment of the Hubble Space Telescope. The impact of the Space Shuttle program on space exploration cannot be overstated. It allowed for unprecedented access to space, and played a key role in building and maintaining the International Space Station. It also paved the way for numerous advancements in space technology and engineering. But perhaps most importantly, it inspired a generation of people to dream big and believe that anything is possible. We've seen some incredible achievements of NASA so far, but now it's time to talk about one of the most exciting and groundbreaking missions in recent history, the Kepler mission. The Kepler mission was a space observatory that was designed to search for exoplanets, or planets that orbit stars outside of our solar system. Let's dive into the details. The Kepler mission was launched in 2009 and used a specialized telescope to search for planets by detecting the dimming of a star's light as a planet passed in front of it. Over the course of its mission, Kepler discovered thousands of exoplanets, including several that are similar in size and temperature to Earth. It also allowed scientists to study the composition and atmospheres of these planets. The impact of the Kepler mission on space exploration is truly groundbreaking. It has revolutionized our understanding of the universe and the potential for life beyond our solar system. The discovery of Earth-sized planets in the habitable zones of other stars has brought us closer than ever to answering the question of whether we are alone in this universe. Hold on tight, space enthusiasts, because we're about to take a trip back in time with the Pioneer missions. The Pioneer missions were a series of spacecraft that were launched in the 1970s and were designed to explore the outer solar system. Let's take a closer look. The Pioneer missions consisted of two spacecraft, Pioneer 10 and Pioneer 11. They were equipped with cameras, instruments for measuring magnetic fields and cosmic rays, and other scientific tools. They successfully visited Jupiter and Saturn, and Pioneer 10 even became the first spacecraft to leave our solar system and venture into interstellar space. The impact of the Pioneer missions on space exploration cannot be overstated. They gave us the first close-up images of Jupiter and Saturn, and provided us with important data about the composition and environments of these planets. But perhaps even more importantly, the Pioneer missions paved the way for future exploration of the outer solar system and beyond. The Pioneer spacecraft were the first to use solar sails to explore the cosmos, which has become an important technology for future missions. We've explored some pretty incredible achievements of NASA so far, but now it's time to talk about the grandest exploration of all, the solar system exploration. NASA's missions to the planets in our solar system have provided us with a wealth of knowledge and a deeper understanding of the universe around us. Let's take a closer look. NASA's solar system exploration began in the 1960s with missions to Venus and Mars. Since then, NASA has sent spacecraft to every planet in our solar system, as well as numerous asteroids and comets. These missions have allowed us to study the geology, atmosphere, and composition of these celestial bodies, and have provided us with important clues about the formation and evolution of our solar system. Alright, space enthusiasts, we've explored some truly incredible NASA achievements so far, but now it's time to talk about the latest and most exciting frontier of space exploration: commercial space programs. The rise of commercial space programs has opened up a whole new era of space exploration and is transforming the way we think about the future of space travel. Let's dive into the details. Commercial space programs began to take shape in the 2000s, with companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin leading the way. These companies are focused on developing reusable rockets and spacecraft, which will make space travel more affordable and accessible. SpaceX, for example, has successfully launched numerous rockets and spacecraft, and has even sent astronauts to the International Space Station. The impact of commercial space programs on space exploration is immense. It has opened up new opportunities for scientific research and exploration, and has the potential to lead to significant advancements in fields like medicine, engineering, and material science. It has also sparked a renewed interest in space exploration among the general public, inspiring a new generation of space enthusiasts and scientists. And that's a wrap, space fans. We've covered some truly amazing achievements of NASA today, from the first human on the moon to the latest commercial space programs. But what does the future hold for NASA and space exploration? The possibilities are endless. NASA is currently planning manned missions to Mars and beyond, and private companies are also working towards making space travel more accessible and affordable. The next few decades could see some truly incredible advancements in space technology and exploration. But why is space exploration so important? It's about pushing the limits of human knowledge and curiosity, and exploring the unknown. So, what are your favorite NASA achievements? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content on space exploration and beyond. Thanks for watching.